replaced the bearings inside the front wheel here, and I was hoping that that was all it was. Charlie, move this back and forth. Okay, but I have a bad pinion bearing, and you can see the yoke move in and out. See that yoke move in and out? How much the yoke's going in and out, Charlie?
Yeah.
That's the pinion bearing. Okay, that's one way. Once you got it jacked up, you can tell that it has it. That's the pinion bearing that's bad. A lot of people don't know how to tell, right? But that is an easy way. And the other thing I can tell you is when we replaced the fluid in here, and it started leaking real bad out of the front end right there. And so you can see. Let me get a close up of it. Go ahead, Charlie. Move it back and forth. Yup, see that? Totally gone. Pinion bearing. And that's a hard one to actually replace. Alright, that one is not easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to the junkyard, and I already found a new differential for $275, and we're going to go with that.